Open your heart up, hoping I'll never find out that you're anyone else. 'Cause I love you just how you are. Hope you never find out who I really am. 'Cause you'll never love me, you never love me, you'll never love me. Oh, yeah. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time.
Alright, so first I'm just going to be taking my spray bottle and I'm just going to be spraying some water all over my hair just to make it easier to comb through. Now I'm taking my comb and making an angled side part. And now I'm just taking my paddle brush and combing my hair back into a temporary ponytail. And then I'm going to take my Eco Styling Gel and I'm just going to put that around the perimeter of my head just to get it nice and slick. Alright, now I'm taking my bristle brush and just going over my hair again, and this is what's really going to get you that sleek look and really make sure that your hair lays down. Then you're just going to take your scrunchie and make a little ball out of your hair, and it should look like this. And now I'm going to take my Eco Styling Gel and I'm just going to smooth down my edges and work on my baby hairs. Now to create my bun, I'm just going to be using some Marley hair, and this is in the color 1B. I got this from my local beauty supply store. They come in pieces, so I just used about 6 pieces of the hair. And I just took a scrunchie and put it right in the center of the hair, and I'm just going to be taking that scrunchie and wrapping it around my little bun. And now I'm just literally going to take the ponytail and wrap it around my bun until it completely hides it. And when you're all done, you should be looking a little something like this. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a like, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.